This is a demo video on how to use digital RCD ELCB tester. Digital RCD tester is mainly used to test the RCD breaker, whether it is properly installed and complied with standard. The RCD breaker we are going to test is a 30 mA. Now let me show you how to use it. Digital RCD tester uses alternative current. Plug the power cable on to supply electricity to the instrument. After it is connected, the instrument will perform circuit check automatically. If two green LEDs light up, it means the instrument is in normal condition. Turn the switcher to auto, then set the maximum output current limit to 30 mA. Press the red button to test the RCD breaker. Trip time and trip out current will be shown at the same time the RCD breaker trips off. Then let me show you how to use manual measurement. Turn the switcher to X1. Set the maximum output limit as 30 mA. Press the red button. Trip time and trip out current will be shown. Thank you for watching.